So, DistroKid has an iPhone app now. Okay, so DistroKid has an app now, and I wanted to talk about it for today's video just in case you might be sleeping on it like I was. And it might be a bit of a shorty video, but DistroKid did reach out to me on this one, and I decided that I wanted to share it because I think it's a really useful and productive and helpful and convenient tool that I personally, as a DistroKid user, would want to know about myself. So if you don't know about DistroKid, it's one of the music distribution services that are available on the market, and it's the one that I have personally chosen to use for my music. So I do use this myself. And many of the artists that I work with also use DistroKid. So we've had really good experiences, in my personal experience, using DistroKid over here in my neck of the woods. So you get unlimited uploads with DistroKid, and they make it super easy to upload your song using their online form. It's a quick and it's an easy way to push out your song to many, many, many streaming platforms. You just get to the end of that form and then you click that done button. And by pressing that button, you can release to a whole range of different platforms. Platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, TikTok, Tidal, Instagram. It's basically all of the major streaming platforms. And I also think it's pretty rad that as an artist, you get to keep 100% of your royalties and earnings. So, that's what DistroKid is. I've also recently explored the cover song option on DistroKid with a client, and DistroKid actually makes it really, really easy to upload a cover song. They manage all of the hoopla for you for a small fee. I believe it's $1 a month or $12 for the year per song on DistroKid, and they secure a license on your behalf using a third-party vendor, and then they pay the songwriter before giving you 100% of the rest of the money. So, just like with regular songs, they're giving you 100% of what they can legally give you. And I think it's really, honestly, I think it's really worth it not to have to deal with and make some kind of deal with a big company or a big artist. Having someone else manage that for you is a huge relief, especially for, a lot of artists. It's like we don't want to be focusing on that part of things. And it's not just myself and my colleagues that are using DistroKid. Apparently, there are over 1 million artists using DistroKid to distribute their music. Anyway, so let's talk about this app. So if you're familiar with DistroKid, a lot of the regular things that you used to use the website for, you can now choose to do within the app if you'd prefer. So you can do things like uploading and editing releases. You can withdraw your earnings from the app. You can set up new things like push notifications. So for example, you could set up a push notification when you've earned royalties. That could be fun. And you can also do things like view your streaming stats for Apple and Spotify. You can edit metadata, lyrics, song credits, stuff like that. And at least for me, it seems like getting this information onto your phone in a more convenient manner feels like a really great way to get more frequent insight into, your stats and your analytics and get some insight into that business side of your music so that you can then calibrate and adjust as you go. Plus, it's a free app. So if you're interested, the DistroKid app is now available on iOS, so you can go to the App Store right now to download it if you want. So I think that's about it for today. Today's video was a bit of a shorty, but I did think that this tool was helpful and useful enough to warrant a video. Plus the fact that the app is free. You do need a DistroKid account to really use all the features, but the app itself is free. So I thought that was really worth mentioning, especially for those of us that are currently using DistroKid. So, as always, let me know what you think in the comments below. And I will have a link in the description. That's a VIP link that will get you 7% off your first year of membership at DistroKid. And again, DistroKid did contact me about this. So that link in my description is an affiliate link. So if you use it, it'll help support my channel. So if DistroKid is something that you are considering trying or you would like to try out, I would really appreciate it if you'd use my link to do so. So the link is distrokid.com/VIP/Cato. And I've been really happy with my DistroKid experience so far. I've been using them for my music distribution for years now. And I would not be making this video if that was not the case. So other than that, I do have a Patreon. So it's patreon.com/CatoNoise, and my patrons get access to additional content. The big thing that we've been focusing on lately is the Discord server where we're sharing information. We have an audio engineering book club. We've been having a lot of fun on there. So check that out if you feel so inclined. And other than that, I come out with new videos every Wednesday. And thank you so much for hanging out. Okay. All right. And did anyone else notice this? Look at the bottom here. Toenail clipper? Like, what the heck is that? I'm at a loss. Let me know if any of you get the toenail clipper. I would love to see evidence of said toenail clipper existing. I think it's funny. I'm a little confused by it, but I think it's funny.